Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is officially the oldest boat that we have worked on to date. In another few weeks here, we've got a little older one coming in, but this is a 1973 Riviera cruiser. It's an old boat. This is about 18 foot long, the pontoons are, and we're gonna extend the deck. A lot of customizations on this boat. It's on an electric only lake. So this one, we're actually gonna strip the transom off. We're gonna extend the back deck to give it more floor space. And we're gonna install a bow mount trolling motor. It's a fishing boat. It's gonna have some Deckmate premium seats on it. It's gonna be a really cool boat when we're all said and done. But let's get a look at these railings. These are original with the boat. However, this logo is not. If you're from a Big Ten school area, you know this is Michigan State. We're not keeping this theme. It's getting new railings, new vinyl floor, probably gonna go with some new deck trim as this is way outdated, some real old stuff. And then coming around the back, some water in this port pontoon. So we're gonna drain that, at least see if we can get it drained out, see if we can find the leak. But it has those typical Riviera cruiser cone pontoons. We're gonna add another bracket here on each side of the pontoon so that we can extend the deck all the way back. It's gonna give them an extra about 18 inches of deck space. Plus we'll be getting rid of this enclosure portion. I don't even know if that's secured. And we'll have more walk around space on the back of the boat as well as the front. It's gonna be fishing, cruising, everything. Marty's gonna tear this thing down right now. There was a couple fun things on this one if we come up front. When you're doing AstroTurf, you can use roofing nails, I suppose. Don't worry about stainless. And I think it's over on this corner. We're gonna go ahead and just take a guess, because this was redone not too long ago, but I don't think they used any sort of marine grade or treated wood because this is rotten all the way through. Get new plywood, new everything, a new lease on life for this boat. Holy moly. This might be 1973 plywood. There was even some old outdoor carpet left underneath the rub rail. It's a doozy. What you got there, Marty?
Oh, this would be some laminate wood luan. Luan? Wood?
Yeah.
A thin underlayment on top of the old deck.
There's still plywood underneath, but why not lay some not moisture resistant luan on top?
We have to remove this so this doesn't cavitate anymore.
We're back. This, you would not even believe it. 1973, this boat's 50 years old, but the pontoons are 50 years old. The boat itself, everything on top that you can see, might as well be a brand new boat because it's all brand new materials. What we've done, we've added new deck trim all the way around, new corner caps. Those are a quick way to make that old boat look new again. The reason we had to use new deck trim was because in the back, we actually extended the deck back on these old pontoons. They left you a couple feet of empty space on top of the tune. Well, we added some brackets, extended the deck with another cross member, and made more usable space. This is a fishing setup, so there's no gas motor. No gas motors allowed on the lake, but no gas motor on this boat either. It's simply controlled by this 24 volt, 80 pound Tarova by MinnKota. Really cool setup. This will be its main source of moving around the lake. And what's really cool about it is anywhere in the boat, I can have this lanyard around my neck and I can steer, I can do laps around the lake. It has a heading unit, it has GPS, it has spot lock, it has all those things. I can control the speed from here. It's gonna be great for fishing, for cruising, everything you could imagine. It's just gonna work well for. Stows right back up. And out of the way. The door has a second bracket to keep it open, and that allows the trolling motor to go in, but it could also be stowed just straight up and down where the door could close if you'd like. We have a nice little box up here. Just welded this together so we can put all of our wiring underneath. We can put the fish finder on top, and then if you come around the side, it's a great option for a pontoon boat when you have a trolling motor. If I want to take this trolling motor off of the boat, I can simply unplug it, and then I can remove it from this quick connect bracket. So easy way to remove, quick, easy, plug it back in, and we have power now. Let's go ahead and climb in the boat and see what we've done on the inside to make this a lounging, fishing, party boat. Pretty much everything, it can do it all. Let's get in. We've got fishing seats up front. So what we've done here is we have our custom snap-on seat covers. Our seamstress comes in and makes these custom to every boat. We have a fishing seat right into a lounger with a corner seat. So these seats are actually mirrored on each side. Rectangle table in the middle with plenty of room to walk around. This is an 8-foot wide boat. And then what we've done with our switch panel, because there is no console, is it's back here. So we have a switch to power up a charger. We have a switch for our navigation lights, our interior lights for evening cruises. And then we also were able to put on a switch for our fish finder, and then as well our docking lights that are mounted on the very front of the boat. So we have a full-on electrical system in this boat, including a 24-volt system for the trolling motor. What's really neat about these seats is there's tons of space. So this is the fully upholstered lean back with the gray navy charcoal. A full 27 class deep cycle easily fits in here. And then if you look in farther, we have a NOCO charging system for both batteries. So our other battery is in the opposite side, and they even make a quick plug on the outside where I can just plug an extension cord right in there. It doesn't get any easier than that to make sure that your batteries are topped off. We have a movable and removable cup holder, so if we want it out for drinks, if I'm sitting here, I've got cup holders, they've got cup holders, or we just throw it underneath and get it out of the way. Tons of storage underneath these seats. And on the back of the boat, we've got plenty of room to walk out and around. Our swim ladder is the nice telescoping stainless ladder. That will be able to go off of the starboard side of the boat, hooks into the hardware, quick and easy. And this is where we extended the deck back, because the old deck used to end about here. We were able to give another 16 to 18 inches of walkable space. That's a wrap on this boat. We're actually heading over right now to go drop it off, deliver it. And that way, here in Michigan, it's finally getting warm. They can enjoy this summer season. Thanks for watching.